Step by step, here's the savory way to make delicious Moroccan roast chicken. Remove the chicken from its packaging and place it in a dish. Chop the mint, cilantro, and garlic. Mix the mint, half of the cilantro and garlic with the sambal oelek or red chili paste, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and a half teaspoon of salt. Spread the mixture underneath the skin of the chicken. Mix the spices with the remaining salt. Sprinkle the spices over the chicken and drizzle with the remaining olive oil. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Roast for about 1.5 hours in the oven. Baste the chicken every 20 minutes with the drippings. Check regularly after 1 hour for doneness. Remove the chicken from the oven, cover with foil, and let rest for 15 minutes. Cut the lemon into quarters. Sprinkle the chicken with the remaining cilantro and serve with the lemon. A great dish, made the simple, savory way, delicious Moroccan roast chicken.